In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dashboards in Wrike. Dashboards in Wrike give you a focused, visual way to track work so you can see exactly what needs attention without digging through multiple views. We'll start in the Wrike workspace and head to the Blueprints area so you're in the main navigation where dashboards live. On the left-hand panel, click More. If your sidebar is collapsed, this expands additional options you might not see at first glance. From there, click Dashboards. This opens the dedicated space where you can view, organize, and customize your dashboards for different teams, projects, or personal workflows. On the Dashboards page, you'll notice a section that neatly organizes what's available to you. This section acts like your control center. It's where you'll access existing dashboards and understand what's shared with you versus what you've created for yourself. Next, adjust the layout to match how you like to work. Changing the layout lets you choose how many columns you want and how tightly information is packed on screen. If you manage many streams of work, a multi-column layout helps you scan quickly. If you prefer to deep dive, a single, wider column keeps focus on the details. Remember, the right layout makes important widgets pop and reduces scrolling. Now, add parameters to fine-tune what appears. Parameters are your filters and conditions that narrow results by things like status, assignee, folder, or due date. Set parameters so the dashboard shows exactly what matters. No noise, just the tasks and projects you care about. This keeps your view consistent and reliable each time you open it. Use the widget option to bring data onto the page. Widgets are the building blocks of dashboards, each showing a specific slice of work. You can browse available widgets to quickly add common views. You'll find helpful options like tasks by status, items due this week, or assignments grouped by owner. Great starting points that require little setup. When you need something more tailored, choose a custom widget. This lets you define the source of data and the exact conditions you want, so you can track niche workflows, special projects, or cross-functional views aligned to your process. Review the My Tasks widget to see everything currently assigned to you. It's a clean way to stay on top of priorities and avoid surprises. Use My Overdue tasks to immediately surface items that need urgent action. And check My Completed tasks for a clear record of what's been delivered, which is especially useful for reporting and retrospectives. There are many more widgets available, so mix and match to build a dashboard that reflects your day. With the right layout, precise parameters, and the widgets that matter most, Wrike dashboards become your single source of truth for action.